Hi, my name is Mark Silver, and when I first moved to Fort Lauderdale, I had major issues with my gums and my teeth through negligence of my own. And I found out about Dr. McCawley as a referral, and back, I'd say about 20 years ago, I came to see Dr. McCawley, who did periodontal surgery throughout my entire mouth. And through the years, knowing what Dr. McCawley has taught me about preventative care in keeping my mouth clean and healthy, I've done so. But in the past couple of years, I had other issues with implants that were put in my mouth, and I needed to have laser surgery with Dr. McCawley. And I cannot tell you that if I didn't do what I did, I would have lost my teeth, my implants, and an enormous amount of money that I invested in my mouth. So I want to say thank you so much to Dr. McCawley and his team, who are absolutely wonderful, a terrific office to come to. And I'm just very grateful that Dr. McCawley has led me in the right direction with keeping my mouth healthy and saving my smile.